Guys, kami, merong isang puno dito na tinatawag na palm, palm fruit. So, I was remember in Matthew 7:17, a good tree bear much fruit. So, look at here. So, naubos ko na yung mga pula. So, meron pa rito na mga manibalang. Ayan, ang dami. So, you know what? Sa ganitong karaming fruit, the Bibles, teach us the idea of this kind of fruit. So, branch marami. The idea is, to be faithful and be fruitful in life. So, one day, sa tingin mo hindi ka fruitful, pero darating ang panahon, you, one of the fruitful in your life, in your family too. Okay? So, stay here. Wow. Amazing. It's good for you. Oo tayo. Yun, isa pa. Bye everyone.